Hi there. If you are a user of Zapier, one of the challenges in using Zapier is structuring integration between two platforms, only to discover that that integration doesn't work when you actually try to set it up. Zapier has now implemented an AI Copilot inside of the platform, and you can use that Copilot for free within a free Zapier account, which integrates two cloud-based services. We are inside of a free account in Zapier. We go to the Zap area in order to create a Zap. A Zap is a connection between two cloud-based services. Allowing them to be integrated, we click on Create. We can then click on New Zap. What you'll notice here in the very first area is that there is a Copilot. And before you start the connection process, Copilot can give you an indication of what the connection is going to be like and whether or not you want to invest your time. For example, we can place in a potential integration. Now, the prompting inside of Zapier is plain language. And so in this case, you'll notice that our prompt is plain language. So we are then going to click Enter. We're going to allow Copilot to determine if this is a connection that Zapier can make. And you will see on your left-hand panel that Copilot will go through a process. As it goes through the process, it'll determine whether it is something that Zapier can do. While you are working on this, you'll notice here that you have a trigger and an axe. Copilot is going to determine, based on what it is you are asking, if a potential trigger can be created with the associated action in order to make it work. Copilot has determined that this request that we have made is something that can happen. We can have an autoresponder and then create another contact at the same time in another autoresponder. There are steps to setting this up, but the first process is to determine if it works in the first place and whether you should invest your time. So you can use the Copilot to your advantage inside of Zapier, whether you have a free or paid account. And what you want to do is write in your potential query and have Copilot to determine if it is something that Zapier can do. There you have it, and I will see you in another video.